Hi, I'm Sue Bowler and I'd like to present to you the Premium Twin Gas Sizer. The Twin Gas Sizer was designed to digitally and accurately inflate and size latex balloons and inflate all other types of balloons with helium, nitrogen or from an air compressor. Included with the Twin Gas Sizers are tank regulator, power cord, foot pedal, quick disconnect hose, quick disconnect tilt valve with brass tip, quick disconnect autofoil push valve, small latex nozzles, padded carry case, and an operation manual which explains how to set your machine up. To attach a valve to one of the quick disconnect outlets, simply push down on the outer silver ring and press the valve into place and then release the silver ring. There are 3 modes of operation for each of the digital latex inflation outlets. On, this is the timer function. Continuous, this is for manual inflation of latex balloons. And off, which turns that outlet off altogether. The Twin Gas Sizer includes a built-in counter for each digital outlet to ensure that you never lose count of the number of balloons that you've inflated. To reduce the inflation counter by 1, press the decrease button once. To reset the counter to 0, press the decrease button for approximately 3 seconds. You can set the Twin Gas Sizer to inflate 2 balloons at the same size, or 2 balloons to different sizes, or to inflate a single balloon on its own. The Twin Gas Sizer can also inflate foil balloons and all high pressure balloons by using the quick disconnect outlets. To inflate foil balloons, add the automatic foil push valve to one of the quick disconnect outlets, and to inflate high pressure balloons, use the latex tilt valve outlet. Using the latex tilt valve outlet, you can easily inflate latex balloons inside of a high pressure balloon. On the back of the machine, there is a quick disconnect outlet for Premium's 3-in-1 inflator that you can purchase separately.